Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming prerequisites, both Samsung Health and Strava installed and signed in on your phone. Next, enable location and activity permissions so data can flow. This is why GPS and background access matter. Pair your Galaxy Watch or device to Samsung Health first, because Samsung Health acts as the source of truth. Once done, open Samsung Health and prepare the workout export option. This first step establishes the connection pathway for automatic or manual sync. Now you connect and authorize. In Samsung Health, go to Settings and find Third-Party App Connections, then select Strava. Tap Connect and follow the authorization prompts. You need to grant access to workouts, activity timestamps, and heart rate so Strava can log accurate entries. Make sure to review each permission. This is why granular toggles matter. Once authorized, Samsung Health should list Strava as linked. Make sure the data types you want synced are enabled so automatic transfers will include routes and biometric data. Finish by running a short test activity on your watch or phone, save it in Samsung Health, and then check Strava for the new entry. This confirms the flow. If it does not appear, revoke the Strava connection in Samsung Health and reconnect. Permission refresh often resolves token issues. Also, make sure both apps are updated, battery optimization is disabled for them, and the same email or linked account is used. This troubleshooting tip fixes most sync failures quickly and reliably.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.